I'm Matt Lewis with MLF Legal, and I'm here today with video number 21 in our series on general terms, issues, and situations that arise in the workers' comp system. Today we're going to talk about maximum medical improvement, sometimes called MMI. Now, maximum medical improvement is one of the most controversial subjects in Texas workers' compensation law. It's also one of the only areas in the workers' comp laws that is interpreted favorably for injured workers. So I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to get the right MMI date assigned to your case. There are two ways to reach maximum medical improvement. And the first way is called clinical maximum medical improvement. Now the statute says that MMI is the earliest date after which further material recovery from or lasting improvement to an injury can no longer reasonably be anticipated. It's a long sentence with lots of big words. And what I want you to focus on is the phrase that says that your injury can no longer, or improvement to your injury can no longer reasonably be anticipated. Well, insurance companies have trained everyone to think that this MMI definition occurs whenever you get as good as you're going to get. That, your physical therapy didn't work, your injections didn't work, so MMI had to be before all of that was even tried because you didn't get any better when you had that treatment. Well, don't fall for it. Now, these arguments only work when you ignore the statute that declares that MMI is not reached until there's no longer any reasonable expectation of recovery. So doctors, they don't do physical therapy to hurt you. They do it to help you get better. They expect that to create some benefit for you in your recovery. They don't do injections just because. They do it to help you get better. And so when that treatment is performed with the intention of helping you get better, then you're not at maximum medical improvement. And that's where the law, the appeals panel has come down and approved those arguments, finding that injured workers do not reach MMI just because treatment doesn't help. The second way to reach maximum medical improvement is statutory maximum medical improvement. And statutory maximum medical improvement means that you never reached clinical maximum medical improvement. You never got as good as you're going to get. We use the insurance company phrase there. But you failed to reach clinical MMI because you've been getting treatment all along and they keep trying to make you better, but you don't get better. You have a serious condition that's just not going to recover. You're going to continue to decline over time. Now, statutory MMI means that arbitrarily we have to pick a day for you to reach MMI. And the legislature said, well, we're going to say you reach MMI at 104 weeks. And if you look back a couple of weeks to our video on the accrual date, you'll know that that's 104 weeks that begins on the 8th day that you missed from work, because that's when those benefits begin to be paid. So from the 8th day you missed from work, 104 weeks, that's statutory maximum medical improvement. Why is MMI important? Because the day you reach maximum medical improvement, you're no longer eligible for temporary income benefits. And these are the benefits that you get when you can't go to work after an injury. So if you're not able to go back to work, you want MMI to get pushed out as far as possible so you can continue to receive benefits while you work on your recovery. If you are fighting with an insurance company over maximum medical improvement, you need a lawyer. As always, work safe, but if an accident happens, call MLF Legal.